Chevron, and Chevron, to my research, has only done it once in the second half of 2023. Highlighted their royalty portfolio, and it's massive. This is just in the Permian. This is not talking about Chevron's upstream assets and any other basins or any other parts of the world. This is just the Permian. And I've kind of set up a comp table here. So the only thing, they didn't share NRAs or anything like that. They shared average daily royalty production of 115,000 barrels a day equivalent. And I went to Kimball's Studio and Blackstone just to show their average daily production. And if you use market cap divided by production as kind of a general proxy, you're somewhere in the $6.5 to $10 billion range of a market cap if Chevron were to carve out its royalty portfolio. Now, this is not perfect math. I'm sure there's tons of undeveloped, and likely that market cap will be well above this. But just using market comps, that just gives us kind of the 80% of the way there number to say, oh wow, this is not just spinning out something that would start small like Viper and have to grow over the next 12 years. Today, this would be a material player in the royalty space if it spun out. So really interesting. And the other signals, like, will Chevron ever do this? I really don't know. But $53 billion merger with Hess, $6.3 billion deal with PDC, and $5 billion deal with Noble in 2020. These are significant amount of capital. And so when you look at balance sheet maintenance and debt reduction, Chevron is targeting 10 to 15 billion in non-core asset sales by 2028. Does royalties have a role in that? Given this estimate down here of $6.5 to $10 billion, maybe. I don't know.